Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can adjust the length of responses given to you by Duck AI in your conversations. So let us guide you through this. So guys, there are three different ways how you can do this. Option number one would be to ask the artificial intelligence to provide more information, more details within the given conversation, for example, by using a prompt where you ask the artificial intelligence, I don't know, provide me, I don't know, an answer to question A, B, C, and so on and so forth, including detailed information about topic or thought and so on and so forth. So that's the most direct approach. However, guys, there's also the option to adjust the default length for responses here on Duck AI, at least approximately. So you can do this by customizing the response here in the bottom left corner. Click into this button and you will see this option here, length of responses. It is set to default, but you can ask the artificial intelligence, for instance, to provide shorter or the shortest answer. So default will be the longest one. And of course, guys, if you provide additional instructions, and I don't know, if you're talking about specific topic in the given chat or conversation, and you would like the artificial intelligence to focus more on this specific topic and provide or include more details, and thus write longer responses for that given chat, you may do that by providing more information here. So that's option number 3, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.